You can see her eyes that no one is her dream. She's my girl, but supergirl. And then she say it's okay. I got lost on the way, but I'm a supergirl. I'm supergirl. And then she'd say, it's alright, I got home late last night, but I'm a supergirl. A supergirl's just fine, but I'm a supergirl. Supergirls don't cry. And then she'd say